Hi my people, it's been a while, but we are back. Today we are learning how to marinate kienyeji chicken. Yeah, to be specific, kienyeji chicken. So karibuni sana to my subscribers, karibuni to the new ones. Hey, subscribini, please like and comment in these videos in my channel. Please don't watch before you subscribe, okay? Okay, tuanze. So we have our kienyeji chicken here, and we are going to chop it into pieces, So natumia kisu yangu, na kisu yangu ni a bit blunt, musini don't question. I lost, not lost, the knives I had 3. I gave out one, and then the other one that I had that was a bit sharper, nikavunja. So now I only have this, and wakuchonga yuko. Naitwa kufanya ni the sharpen hayuko. So here we are. Our chicken is ready, already cut into pieces, and I've washed it. It's ready now to be marinated. Now before marinating, we have to rinse the water, yeah, completely ndio upate spices zimesoak in vizuri, okay? So we tap with a towel, with a kitchen towel, each piece tuondoe maji. And here we are. Mkoaje? How are you doing? I hope mko poa. So here are the spices that I'm going to use.
Turmeric, tandoori, curry powder, and some garam masala. Then a grate of what are these? Garlic and ginger. Yeah. Poleni ni kuchoka, ni uchovu mingi. So we mix together. Oh, plus
yeah, and I remembered I did not use salt, so I'm adding salt here. And we mix a bit with the spices kiasi ndo upate imechanganya. Then we try to put it. Some people put some oil in the spices, then they brush over their meat. But for me, nitatumia tu mkono na nini. Right. Now this is a lemon, raw lemon. It will add that spice. That kautamu. Mtakasikia. Then I've already added vinegar, 1 teaspoon. Then once I'm done with mixing, I'll add a teaspoon of soy sauce, as you can see here. Yeah, you can add any spice that you want, and if you're not a person of spices, you can eat it, you can cook it that way. It will do so well with kitungu, with onion and ginger. Yeah, ginger actually does it well with the garlic and onions. You'll have a very good meal. But today we are learning how to marinate. So I'm done with the marinating. Now I'm covering it, putting it in my fridge for at least an hour so that it soaks so well. The spices soak so well. Yeah, now you can see how it's going. You see it's draining water. Yeah, because of the salt. It's draining water. It's draining this water, and this is well.